Hi, my name is Brandlin Gutierrez.
My name is Steve Thompson.
Tanya Roney, and this is my husband, Michael Roney.
My name is Sandra Williams.
And I use Mike for all of my legal matters.
I am an interpreter for Spanish to English, both in Henry County and Carroll County, not only for the court system, but for whoever needs me. And that's how Mike and I started our relationship, working together through the court system, and then also here in the office when he received clientele that was Latino. And then I actually needed him for one of my own cases, conservatorship over my 18-year-old son who has schizophrenia.
I needed someone that knew about estates. I checked with many attorneys. I was told that he was the only one that could do it.
I've had a mechanic shop for many years, and now I own Affordable Towing. I do towing in Henry County. The reason that I started using Mike is I had a little mishap at my shop. I hired an attorney and I was raked over the coals.
We had called several other lawyers, and the time that it took them to either make an appointment for us to come in or giving us the runaround, they also wanted a large down payment just to go over our case. I ran into Mr. Ainley and decided to contact him, and since day one, we had had no problems.
The next time I was out shopping for a lawyer, and it wasn't long after he had started practicing law in Henry County. I met Mike. We got along well.
The first time we came in here to meet Mr. Michael and the team, we absolutely felt welcome. We feel like they're a part of our family.
My first impression of Mike and everyone in his office, they are very welcoming. Mike does take his time and he listens to your side especially, and he's kind of a no BS type of man. I don't know how other to put it, but he is a straight shooter. He's going to tell you exactly what your chances are of being successful.
If you tell him the truth, tell him what's going on, he'll tell you the truth about where you stand on your situation. He won't lie to you. He'll tell you straight up what's going on.
I would recommend Ainley Law because they are very friendly people and they'll do everything they can to help you. Mike has really helped me in everything that I've ever asked him to do.
Being able to sit in and listen to how he was working with people that he didn't even know the language of really allowed me to see him working hard full circle, no matter if there was a barrier there or not. I would definitely recommend Mike to anybody.
They are very concerned, and Ainley makes sure that his client is well satisfied when everything is over with. He's very good at what he does.
Have a local lawyer, I think, is one of the most important things that a small business can do. I don't have that much legal matters that need to be tended to, but knowing that Mike is always there, a phone call away, he tells me exactly what to do, how to handle it, has always been nothing but personable and nice.
Not only has he been able to help us, but we ended up being able to buy our home outright, buy our vehicle, and we are much happier, a lot of less stress. We would definitely use Mr. Ainley and his firm for anything possible. I know that I can call up here and talk to pretty much everybody. I mean, I just love this. If we ever have any questions as to a certain case or just a friend or a family member that we may know,
Or stranger.
we do reach out to Mr. Ainley to see if he would be able to help them.
It's to the point now that people call me and ask me to call Mike Ainley. We would never go nowhere else.
No, we would not go anywhere else. We absolutely love working with him.
We hope you never need a lawyer, but if you do, we're here to help.
Hola, mi gente latino. Estoy aquí en la oficina de Don Ainley y quiero que se sepan, si se tienen asuntos con la policía, con la corte y necesitan un abogado en su esquina, el señor Mike Ainley es la persona para ustedes. Él había ayudado a alguna gente, muchos decían en la comunidad latino, y también se puede asegurar una persona para interpretar si no saben inglés. So, así es mi dicho, si necesitan algo, márquenle a Don Ainley.